Assalamu alaikum everyone, and you guys have been saying Atom Coins do turbo. We want to see you doing turbo. It's been a while, it has been pumping, and talk about turbo. So like the video, since the video is now live, and yes, there I tried to trade turbo by myself at one point. I think I kind of canceled it a little bit early, but the thing is, turbo has been pumping. Of course, there has been a sideways movement right now. And as far as I zoom out of here, there are some few comments I do actually have regarding the coin itself. So number one, let's look at the higher time frame, and I want to tell you that on the higher time frame we have massive resistance and a massive overbought department right now. So if you look at how the coin looks like, this is the exact same place that you have been failing. And by the way, this is the biggest resistance, because previously you have been touching that resistance, you failed to cross it, and then you went down big time. There has been a big sell-off from there. You might actually get another rejection because you're still not breaking that resistance, and you could actually see for another move to the downside if history, of course, does repeat itself. Now the coin has moved up, and it has moved up quite big, and that is going to be nearly 211%, massive. So after 211%, if you do not break that resistance that I'm showing you on the daily, then you are probably going to go and start a big correction to the downside. And if we're talking about 211% pump, then imagine that 30-40% correction can be a very normal thing to happen. In fact, right now we are making a little bit of a channel going on. You can see the channel right in there. So it was a good idea to like short right there, short right over here, open up a short position right over there. And yes, if you do try to climb up again to nearly 6,500, you can open up another short, and you can actually trade this one to go down. This can actually be a huge 23% shorting opportunity with the stop losses. Of course, you can do 1% stop loss if you want to do that. Try your luck. But the thing is that yes, this is still another channel developing, and by the way, you're still in the middle of the channel, and from the middle you can do anything you want to. You could actually pump here, you could continue to go down to the lowest part of the trend line. This is up to the whales, what they want to do, which direction they want to take. And as soon as you go down maybe to 48 to 25, and then you break below, go for the retest, come up for the retest, then you could actually see that move down, and maybe 4066 can also happen in this regard. So I think that's pretty much it. That's the only thing I can actually talk about. This is what has been developing so far in the past few days, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.